Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanical. Right here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about an airdrop which was recently introduced by our Trust Wallet, and the airdrop is very legit and you can earn it right here inside your Trust Wallet. So right here, pay close attention to the video, do not skip any part, make sure you watch the video to the end so that you get the reason for the airdrop and also how you can be able to take the best parts from it. Alright, so before I go properly and dive into the video tutorial, I want to quickly introduce you to our free BNB giveaway. So coming over here guys on our Telegram channel where we post information about crypto and all the latest information concerning crypto, you can see that we have already announced the free BNB giveaway winners right here. So if you want the interest to join us right here on our free BNB giveaway campaign, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead and click over here on the subscription button below the video you're watching right now. You click on the bell and select all so that each time we post a new video, YouTube will send you a notification immediately. After that guys, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up, then you share the video to any social media platform if you choose. Then finally you give us a very nice and interesting comment right there on the comment section. So right now let's go back and talk about the video properly. So coming over here guys, you can see right now I am on my Trust Wallet right here. So but let me take you to the X handle and tell you the reasons and for this airdrop. So coming over here guys, you can see that I am on the X handle of Twitter, right, of Trust Wallet right here. You can see this is the legit Trust Wallet account. So coming over here to the 7th of August, let me take you to the 7th of August right here. So over here guys, you can see that on the 7th of August 2024, you can see this is where Trust Wallet actually introduced the point system. They actually named it Trust Wallet Quest, and over here guys, this is where they actually introduced it. And coming over here guys, on the same day, you can see they say, have you started earning Trust Wallet Quest points yet? If you haven't started earning it, then watch out on this video because I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually be able to earn it. To make it even more fun, they actually are partnered with Zeta chain. All right, they actually partnered with Zeta blockchain right here to give out $2,000 on Zeta chain to the people participating on the Trust Wallet Quest. So over here you can see they gave the rule right here. You can see you need to just simply like and retweet. You follow both Trust Wallet and Zeta chain, then you go ahead and complete the quest right here. So right now pay close attention. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to partake on this and stand a best position to earn yourself a whole lot of airdrops. So right now let me head back to my Trust Wallet. So coming over here to my Trust Wallet, you can see this is it right here. So the first thing you need to click to start earning your own points is to simply go ahead and click over here on Discover down here. Okay, so you click over here on Discover right now. You can see that this is it right here. It is at the frontal part of the Discover page. You can see this is what we are talking about right here. So what you need to do is very simple, and actually you can see that we have this right here and we also have this. So clicking this will take you to Twitter to complete the steps that I show you, which is to like and retweet and also follow both Trust Wallet and Zeta chain. So but if you click right here guys on this place right here, so let's click on it together. So right here, this is the page. You can see right here, this is simply how it is. Let me show you what you need to do right now. So the first thing right here is to simply for you to go ahead and claim your bonus point, which is 100 points. You can see it right here. This is just for joining into this campaign. So the next one is for you to go ahead and click over here, which is daily check-in. All right, so this daily check-in actually just require you to log in daily into this quest page on Trust Wallet and get to click right here. So you are going to be getting 10 points every single day you log in into your Trust Wallet. So right here guys, looking down, you can see that this one actually provides you with over 200 points every single day. So if you want to take part on this one, what you need to do is simply go ahead and of course you need to stake Ethereum for that. So staking nothing less than 0.025 Ethereum will qualify you to earn 200 points every single day. So that is not going to be easy, and I'm sure a lot of people out there won't be able to do it. So you should just go ahead and claim. I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to claim this 100 points and also how you can claim this 10 points every single day. So reading over here, you can see we have a notice right here. Okay, so we have a notice right here. They say if points are not claimed within 3 months, they will be removed. All right, any claimed points must be used within 1 year before they expire. So I'm going to be providing more information about this whole write-up right here. What you need to do right now, once you just open this page right now, is to simply go ahead and click over here on start. So once you click on start, this will verify your wallet and automatically you have claimed 10 points right here. So looking over here, you can see that my point just increased right now. So what you need to do next is simply go ahead and click on claim all. So once you click on claim all, you can see right now that my point has now been added to my wallet. So the next thing that I need to do is to simply come back here every single day and get to claim my points, right? So a lot of information about this is yet to be dropped, and this airdrop that we are claiming right now is actually not tradable, but this point that you are collecting right now is going to qualify you for a whole lot of future rewards. All right, so you need to keep on doing this every single day and make sure you invite others. So coming over here to point tracker, let me explain to you guys what it's all about. So when you click over there on point tracker, that is just like to show you your transaction history, you understand? So to show you your transaction history and how you were able to claim all that you claimed. All right, so leaving over here, you can see that unclaimed points. So you see, points must be claimed within 3 months of completing a task. Right, so every 3 months of completing a task, you need to make sure you claim your points. What we actually mean is that at first our point was actually written down here, okay? So but I came over here, I pressed over here on claim on before it actually got here. So that is what they actually mean by this. And over here, guys, you can see that any point that is not claimed after 1 year, you can see points expire 1 year after claiming if they are not redeemed for reward. So we are yet to have a reward that we are gonna be using our points to redeem, because if we don't redeem it after 1 year, it is going to be lost. All right, so we need to use it before 1 year. So what your work right now is to simply go ahead and always claim your points, so that keep on accumulating more. When the period that we are going to be using it comes, then I'm going to be updating you guys right here on this channel. So thank you for joining us on this video. I believe you got a value out of this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on my next video that's going to be dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course, have a lovely day.